Listen, after this video, you're gonna go from charging £80, £90, £150 a month to charging 1,500 plus upfront, all right, for your online coaching. If you tell someone at the end of the call, right, the price is 1,500 for 6 months, and they say that's a bit expensive, you're gonna ask them a few questions about their journey, and, what they've invested in their fitness before. They're probably gonna tell you they had a PT, or they had some cheap program online, or they did Slimming World, but they've ended up right in front of you in the same position, basically, right? So you're gonna ask them, would you rather pay, go back and do what you've been doing, go pay £100 for some sort of program, or cheaper, or PT session or whatever it is, right? And you do that probably like 7 months out of this year, fall off because it doesn't work again because it didn't work before, right? And then you do the same thing next year because it's in January, New Year's resolution, and then 2026 and so on and so forth. All right. And then before you know it, you spent like, what's that, 3K, 4K, over the years, right? And the worst part is you didn't get your result. Or would you rather pay 1,500 now and only ever pay it once? Because the biggest difference between those programs and my program is that with my program, you get a guaranteed result. Because we're not just solving one problem, just giving you a meal plan or giving you, training sessions in the gym. No, I'm telling you exactly and showing you exactly what to do, all right, to get the result that you're looking for. Okay, if you can communicate that and explain the result, I guarantee you will be able to start charging more for your services. All right, take our online fitness coach success test to see where in your business you are slacking or you need to improve. Link is in my bio.